fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So these are the channels right here, but if this still doesn't work or show it in your mobile, then what you need to do is just click on this icon right here and just log in or log out to your Discord and log back in. So I will log out on my Discord by clicking on this log out button right here. Click on log out. Then after that, as you can see, I've been logged out. So what I need to do is just log back in by clicking this login, and then just typing in here my account credentials and click on log in. Then after that, I will be logged into my account as you can see right here, and that has fixed your problem. But if still doesn't fix your problem, what you need to do is to just head over to any of your home screen. So once you're in there, just locate Discord and then click on it, and then click on uninstall right here, and make sure to delete Discord to your phone. And after you have deleted Discord, you can head over to your Play Store and App Store, search for Discord right here, and then download Discord on your store. So just click on the install button that you have right there and install it and log in again. However, if that still doesn't work for you, what you need to do next is to head over to your Chrome browser and then enter a new tab. And on that new tab, you just need to search for Discord old version. So here it is. And as you can see, this is that right here, Discord for Android. So click on that. And when you click on that, you will see in here a lot of versions of Discord that are stable that you can download. Because maybe the issue lies because the update isn't compatible with your phone. So just download any of this by clicking any of that, clicking on download right here at the bottom. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!